to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning to draw an adorable lion cub. Are you ready? Let's start by sketching the outline of our little lion friend. Did you know an adult lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? But guess what? Our little lion cub isn't roaring just yet. He's practicing his soft growls, like grr, grr. Now, let's get creative and add some bright orange to his fluffy hair. Tail, and a few other parts of his body. Don't forget to paint his main body and face with some sparkling yellow to give him that golden shine. We'll use light pink to add some super cute details to his ears and tongue, just the perfect touch. Wow, look at him. Isn't he looking so cool? Do you love lions as much as I do? I think they're absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this fun drawing tutorial, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome art videos. See you next time, and keep drawing.